Hello! Today we will present to the topic Endangered Animals. We will talk about two very important species from Mexico, the axolotl and the sea cow. Our project was made by Guzmán Calderón Avi, Sánchez Palacios Dulce, and I, Mendoza Sornia Jocelyn. Our purpose is to explain where they live, why they are endangered, and why it is important to protect them. The axolotl, whose scientific name is Ambystoma mexicanum, is a freshwater amphibian that lives in the canals and lakes of Xochimilco, Mexico. It measures between 23 and 30 centimeters and can reach up to 30 centimeters. And its adult weight ranges from 62 to 100 grams. It is a carnivorous animal that eats worms, insects, larvae, small crustaceans, and small fish. In captivity, it is usually fed pellets and brine sheep. The axolotl is endangered because of water pollution, habitat loss, urban development, and invasive species. It is very important because it can regenerate parts of its body, which make it valuable for science. To protect it, actions such as water cleaning, habitat restoration, breeding programs, and environmental education are carried out.
The vaquita marina is a small cetacean that lives exclusively in northern Gulf of California. It needs relatively clean waters areas with ample food. It weighs between 30 and 55 kilograms, measures between 1.2 and 1.5 meters in length, and it's carnivorous, feeding on small fish and crustaceans, such as shrimp. It is the most endangered porpoise in the planet due to high secondary mortality from illegal fishing where and wheel nets used to catch other species. These nets entangle vaquitas and cause them to drown. Its current population is critically low, making every individual vital to the species conservation. Measures taken have included bans and removal of wheel nets in protected areas, patrols and rescue operations, as well as programs to relocate fishermen and offer economic alternatives. Despite these efforts, recovery is difficult because the number of individuals is extremely small, and any illegal fishing in its habitat continues to pose a catastrophic risk.
Comparison: the axolotl is a freshwater amphibian, making it far more common in captivity than it the whale, which is a key difference from the vaquita. It is also an animal known for its unique biological trait of regeneration, a quality more impressive than many other animals. The vaquita, a marine mammal, is smaller in stature than many other cetaceans, weighing only 30 to 55 kilos. It is also rarer than the axolotl in captivity, given the difficulty in its core. Both are endangered mammals native to the world. Its deadlier and primarily more immediate and direct than the axolotls, specifically the use of illegal gills which cause direct mortality. The axolotls, such as water pollution and organ development, are more gradual than the vaquitas. Species and supporting communities are maintained and strengthened. The axolotl will likely show signs of recovery in its habitat in 1 or 2 decades, and its population will gradually increase. On the other hand, the vaquita will only avoid extinction if nets are completely eliminated from its area and strict sustainable protection measures are implemented. However, alternative prediction indicate that its co-occurring actions are not maintained or are relaxed, but species will continue to decline, and the vaquita in particular will likely become extinct in few years due to the low number of the individuals. In some conclusion, we conclude that the axolotl and the vaquita are very important animals for Mexico and for the world, but are in danger because of human actions such as pollution, illegal fishing, and the destruction of their homes. We also conclude that if people do not change how they take care of nature, these animals could disappear. To protect them, it is necessary to care for the water, respect the laws, and teach others why these animals are important. We can all help in some way so they can continue to exist in the future.